Hello, my name is Margit Rästas and I'm a product manager at Emerson. Today I will show you how smart meter verification helps engineers quickly confirm whether a radar level transmitter is performing as expected without unnecessary visits to the field. To maintain confidence in a measurement, verification is required, sometimes triggered by a change in behavior, but often as part of a routine maintenance or compliance requirements. The key question is always the same. Is the transmitter still performing as expected, or is further action needed? Answering that typically requires time in the field, even when the device is operating correctly. Smart meter verification helps you answer that question quickly. It verifies the internal condition of the radar level transmitter while it remains installed and in operation. With a single action, smart meter verification performs a comprehensive self-check covering electronics, firmware integrity, the memory, radar signal generation, and configuration consistency. This ensures that the device is not only functioning correctly, but also that the configuration remains intact. The result is a clear pass or fail, shown directly in the interface. A pass means you can shift focus to the process. A fail means the transmitter needs attention. Smart meter verification can be run on demand or scheduled to run automatically as part of your maintenance routine. Once configured, it runs in the background and generates results without requiring manual intervention. Whether triggered manually or automatically, it can be executed remotely from the control room, reducing time in the field and avoiding unnecessary process interruptions. Each verification stores its results in the device memory and generates a report. A rolling history is maintained, ensuring the most recent verification data is always available for documentation and audits. When available, additional diagnostics like signal quality metrics or smart echo level test can support deeper analysis. In conclusion, smart meter verification provides fast insight into device condition, helps reduce unnecessary maintenance, and supports confident, reliable operation. Thank you for your attention. For more information, please visit our website.